Okay. Um, as a mathematician, the existence is really important thing. Okay. So, well, like you could encounter like something existence problem. Okay. I found a couple of problem on online homework as well. Okay. And to talk about existence, you have to check only two things. Okay. First one, your function must be at least piecewise continuous function. Okay. As you talked about, piecewise continuous function means you should have like finite number of discontinuous point, which means you're going to have like finite number of subinterval, and the endpoint, the limit of endpoints of each subinterval must be positive. In other words, you do not have any vertical asymptote. Okay, that is the meaning of A. The second one, whenever you have like exponential order, which means that your absolute value of function must be less than some like exponential function form. And as long as you have like this kind of thing in your function order, then we can say it is exponential order. As long as you satisfy like these two conditions, we can say your function f has the Laplace transform, which is capital F of s. Okay, so well, like for mathematician, proof is really important, but like since this is engineering course, we are not going to go over about the theorem, the proof of this theorem, but like you can easily find on textbook or website. Okay, so that's it.